Let's go ahead and revisit these Energy Up batteries for the Ryobi One Plus tools.
Energup. Energup.
Energup.
Yeah, that's right. I said the name wrong a bunch of times. People left comments. They were pissed off about it. Sorry, it's Energy Up. Now, these Ryobi tools, I have a lot of them. The One Plus, I love it. The batteries, they're interchangeable. You swap them, you swoop them. But the problem is, the official brand of batteries are expensive. That's where these Energy Up batteries come into play. And a lot of people say, only get the Ryobi. Don't even buy Ryobi tools because they're trash. Well, I'm not a contractor. These things work well. Energy Up's gonna save you big time money over the Ryobi brand One Plus batteries. If I've heard it once, I've heard it 1,000 times. Ryobi's trash compared to Makita and all the other top name brands. Well, you know what? I'm not a contractor. I don't need all that expensive stuff. I need reliable tools for around the house, and Ryobi delivers. The One Plus delivers. This is the Energy Up battery. This is going to deliver because these official Ryobi batteries, they're expensive, and if you want extras, they're gonna cost you. This is going to be a face-off against the official Ryobi P102 lithium-ion One Plus compatible battery. Let's go ahead and make sure that both of these batteries are fully charged. We're gonna go right here to the Ryobi Rapid Charger, the quick charger. It usually only takes about an hour, even on a totally dead battery. We're gonna charge both of these daddies up. Then we're gonna get them ready to face off. They're gonna fight. They're gonna battle to the death. Let's see who comes out the winner. The winner is gonna be your pocket. Just stay tuned. Alrighty now, in less than an hour, the battery is fully charged. Let's go ahead, let's pull that sucker off the charging bay, and then we're gonna pop in the Energy Up battery. We're gonna let that sucker charge, because it needs to be a fair test, a fair battle. We need these two facing off at full strength, and full strength is absolutely what I'm going to deliver. And what I'm gonna show you right now is how the Energy Up battery, made for the One Plus Ryobi, it's going to fit perfectly into the Ryobi Rapid Charger right here, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look at this. This is going to be a perfect fit. It's going to be a perfect charge. Guess what, ladies and gentlemen, in less than an hour, now the Energy Up battery is ready to fight. It's ready to battle. Look at it. It's fully charged. It's ready to go. Let's pop that off. Boop, bop. And let's go ahead and face these two daddies off. I've got 3 very scientific tests lined up to pit these two against each other to show you which one is the real value, the real money saver. First up, we're gonna weigh the P102 Ryobi One Plus battery, the 1.3 amp hour, the 24 watt hour battery. Let's see what's on the inside here. Let's see if it's packing a punch. Let's see if it's tipping the scales. This is a heavyweight battle, so there's no weight limit. What do we have for the Ryobi One Plus battery? The P102 comes in at 15.2 ounces. Not bad. Now don't you dare forget that the Ryobi battery costs you more. It is rated less on the label and it costs you more. So let's go ahead, let's tear this thing, let's tear that scale, let's zero it out. Now let's grab that Energy Up battery, okay? The Energy Up. Now, for less money, you've got a 2 amp hour, 36 watt hour battery that we're gonna put on the scale. It should weigh more, I would imagine. It weighs less. 13.8 ounces, what does that mean? Does that mean that this is a fraud? Does that mean that the Energy Up battery is not gonna deliver what it says it will? 15.2 ounces on the Ryobi, 13.8, and those ounces make a difference when you're holding a tool in your hand for fatigue, okay? Next up, let's compare the design of these two. Maybe there's something different about them that makes the Ryobi weigh more, even though it's supposed to deliver a little less power, but yet cost more money. But if you take a look at this, they're designed damn near identically. So something is not adding up here, ladies and gentlemen. Just something is not adding up. Why did the Ryobi weigh more? It's supposed to deliver less, but yet all of these aftermarket batteries are supposed to be a fraud. That's what the internet tells me. Again, the Ryobi came in at 15.2 ounces, the Energy Up 13.8 ounces. For round 2, we are gonna measure how long this hot glue gun by Ryobi, made for the One Plus batteries, is going to stay powered on and heated up between the two batteries. Now, I would imagine if the Ryobi battery weighs more, there might be more inner workings in there, and the ratings on it are going to be more accurate, which is going to lead to the Energup battery being a fraud. That's what the internet tells you, right? Don't buy those aftermarket batteries. Well, take a look at this. With the Ryobi brand battery in here, just keep monitoring that LED light on the hot glue gun. "45 minutes. To heat up an element with a battery for 45 minutes, that's impressive. We're going on an hour now. And here's where it turned off. 1 hour, 15 minutes for the comparable Ryobi One Plus battery. Okay, hour 15 minutes. Now, let's go ahead and test out the Energup battery in the same exact test on this battery-powered hot glue gun by Ryobi for the One Plus system. Plug it in, pop the top, boop bop. Let's go ahead and get it started. An hour and 15 minutes. Is it going to beat it? What do you think? Let's find out. Again, do not forget that the Ryobi battery costs substantially more with less ratings on it. The only hope it has against the Energup is that the Energup has false ratings on the label, and it's going to deliver less than what it says it will. That's what Ryobi's hoping. We're at 45 minutes. We're at 50 minutes. We're going on an hour. Only need to get to an hour and 15 minutes to win. It's blowing by that. Just watch that LED light. That's going to let you know when it powers off. An hour 45 minutes. 1 hour, 54 minutes of runtime from the Energup battery that costs less. So for the third and final comparison, I am going to put the Energup first. We're going to let the Energup battery set the bar. The less expensive battery, the battery that seems to be delivering more power, is going to set the bar against the official One Plus battery, comparable size from Ryobi. That costs more, okay? We're going to use this portable hand battery powered vacuum by Ryobi for the One Plus system. Let's see how long this thing can stay powered on and running, okay? It's running a motor. There's heat being generated, okay? So if quality is a concern, the Ryobi is probably going to win on this, right? Well, let's go ahead and find out. The Energup battery sounds good and it sounds strong. How long is it going to hold out? And will it hold out long enough to beat the Ryobi battery? That vacuum ain't no hot glue gun, ladies and gentlemen. 11.4 minutes on the Energup battery. Now, it's time to see if the Ryobi One Plus, the official battery, the more expensive battery, the battery with lower ratings, can hold its own against that type of bar. The P102 is about to get plugged in. We're about to plug it in from the bottom. We're about to shove it in there. We're about to smash it in there. Put a little spit on it and let's go. Flip that switch and let's see if you're wasting your money. What are you thinking right now? Do you think that it's going to make it? It's the official Ryobi battery. It's gonna last. It's surely going to last, right? I mean, there's no reason why Ryobi would put out an inferior product just because of name trust and brand recognition. No way, right? And as you can tell, even though I have an aftermarket battery, nothing is caught on fire. Keep that in mind. Keep your budget, keep your wallet in mind, keep your dollars in mind. And that official Ryobi battery is conking out, ladies and gentlemen. It conked out. Interesting results here. Interesting results. 7.6 minutes for the more expensive, less power rated Ryobi battery. Are you confused right now? Are you confused? Don't be. The Ryobi battery weighs more but gives you less power. The Ryobi battery lasts way less time in the hot glue gun. The Ryobi battery lasts way less time in the handheld vacuum cleaner. I'm going to stick to what I said in the original review that I had for Energup batteries. Why pay more for an inferior product? Get the Energup. And if it's not too much trouble, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to Silly Reviews.